So hey everybody, I am cooking today. I am making my chicken white chili. It is one of my favorite. It's so good and it's so easy. Okay, let's get busy. So here are my ingredients for tonight's chili. I already chopped some onion and red pepper, and today I got me some rotisserie chicken which is already cooked. So all I have to do is take the meat out and it's ready to go. And I have 3 cans of Great Northern beans all rinsed out, and I got some cream cheese. Also, I will be using 1 pound of pepper jack cheese. It's got some jalapenos in it. Yum. Then I need some chicken broth. That's it. That's all I need. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my onions going, get them cooking. I am hungry. I am using this organic coconut oil. I use this quite a lot because apparently it is healthier for you, so that's what I try to use. So I'm just going to add the onions at first. Okay, so I think it's ready for the peppers. Then it's time to add the beans and chicken broth. Then I'm going to add my cream cheese. I tried to kind of chop it up a little bit. Scoot them in there. So I need to mix it up and let all this cheese melt. Just slowly heat it up. It will look a lot better when it's all melted. So while my chili is getting happy over there, it's time to chop the cheese. I could not find shredded pepper jack cheese, so I just got the hunk of it. And I'm going to chop it in tiny pieces so it will melt faster. Okay, so I'm just going to chop this cheese tiny pieces.
Cheese.
Okay, there's my cheese. It's ready to go in the pot. So my cream cheese is melting very well. So now I'm just going to add my pepper jack cheese. Hop in there, cheese. There you go. Good cheese. Okay. Simmer on low heat, probably 15 minutes, and then I will add the chicken. Like that. My chicken chili has been getting happy for 15 minutes, and all the cheese has melted. So now I'm just going to add my chicken. Dive right in there, chicken. Good chicken. And this dinner is about done. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning, just a little bit, and a little bit crushed pepper. Alright, so I'm going to taste if it's got enough spices. It is perfect. I don't need to add anything. So while my chicken chili is getting happy over there, I'm going to get my plate ready. I am going to serve my chili with sourdough crisp bread, which is näkkileipä. This is my favorite näkkileipä that I can find in this area. Picking is very small. My chili is about done, and I'm just going to get my näkkileipäs ready. Then we are ready to eat. Here is my chicken white chili. It was so super easy to do. And it tastes very, very good. I gotta taste a little bit. So my chili is done. I am going to serve this chili for my husband, who is on a sofa. He had a really, really bad week. And today, super sucked. And because I am such a good wife, my honey gets to eat supper on a sofa. And this was my chicken white chili. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. And I will see you later. Bye! And today at Baby's Kitchen,
I miss Finnish Snackulator for sure.